Most Nigerians track their money once a month, if at all, but your bank is tracking it every single day. In the next 15 minutes, I'll show you how to build an AI agent that does the same thing, spots what you missed, and tells you exactly what to do next. By the end of this episode, you'll have a working CFO agent connected to your real finances. No coding, no monthly subscription, just Claude and 30 minutes of your time. A personal CFO agent is an AI system that reads your financial data, bank statements, transaction history, budget targets, and answers one question weekly: what's the single most important move I should make with my money right now? It's like having a financial advisor who works for free and never sleeps. Let's build this in 3 pieces. First, the prompt. This is the instructions you give Claude about how to think like your CFO. You'll tell it your salary in Naira, your monthly expenses, your debt, your investments, and your 1-year goal. The prompt then tells Claude exactly what to prioritize. Are you still building an emergency fund? Are you paying down credit card debt? Are you ready to start investing in NGX stocks? Second, the inputs. These are your real numbers. We'll use a simple Google Sheet with 5 tabs: income, expenses, debt, investments, and goals. You update it Sunday evening, once a week, in about 8 minutes. Third, the output. Claude gives you back 1 paragraph every Sunday morning with your weekly decision, the math behind it, and 3 next steps. Not 50 alerts, not a 50-page report. 1 decision you can act on before noon. Think of a traditional CFO, the financial officer at a company like Dangote. Every week, she reads the company's cash flow, compares it to the budget, looks at upcoming debt payments, checks the investment returns, and tells the CEO exactly one thing. This week, we need to focus on inventory costs, or refinance that loan, or prepare for the Ramadan revenue dip. She doesn't give 50 recommendations. She gives 1, with numbers. Your personal CFO agent does the exact same thing, but for your life. It reads your Naira in, your Naira out, your debt, your investments, and tells you one thing to focus on. In Kuda, in Bamboo, in your OPay wallet, on Flutterwave, wherever your money is. If you earn between N300,000 and N1.5 million a month, and you've never had a system that tells you weekly what to prioritize with your money, here's what's probably happening. You're making financial decisions randomly. Someone tells you about a Bitcoin opportunity, you invest. You see a property advertisement, you calculate. Your rent is due, you move money. You check your Bamboo balance and maybe add N10,000 to stocks. There's no priority order, no weekly check-in, no math. The average effect? You're saving less than you could be, paying more interest than you need to, and missing compound growth every single month. A personal CFO agent forces you to answer this question every week. Given where I am today and where I want to be in 1 year, what is the single best move? That question alone, asked weekly, will add between N500,000 and N2 million to your net worth over 12 months, depending on your salary and your current debt load. Now let's build it. Here's the exact workflow. Step 1, create a Google Sheet. No fancy templates needed, just 5 tabs. First tab is income. Your salary, any side income from Upwork or touring, any investment income. Update it once a year unless you get a raise. Second tab is expenses. Split into 4 categories. Fixed expenses like rent and PHCN, transport like Danfo and Kiki, food and subscriptions, and irregular expenses like generator maintenance, car repair, wedding money. Enter last month's actual numbers. Third tab is debt. Credit card balances, anything you owe on Kuda or Access, any personal loans from friends or family, any mortgage. Include the interest rate and minimum payment. Fourth tab is investments. Your Bamboo holdings, your NGX stocks via Chaka or Trove, crypto holdings in Binance or Luno, anything generating returns. Fifth tab is goals. Write your 1-year number goal, your goal for savings rate, your debt payoff target. That's it. 5 tabs, 15 minutes to set up. Pause here and screenshot this. You'll want this when you're building your sheet on Sunday. Now the prompt. The instructions you give Claude. This is where the CFO brain lives. You'll paste your sheet data into Claude and then give it 1 master instruction. Here's the exact structure. Start with context. I am a N500,000 a month earner in Lagos. I have N1.2 million in credit card debt at 22% interest. I have N800,000 in my Bamboo account growing at 10% per year. I want to be debt-free and have N5 million invested in NGX stocks by December 2025. My job is stable, but I work in tech and might get hit with a 15% salary cut if the market turns. Then the instruction. Every Sunday, read my financial data below. Calculate my current savings rate. Show me if I'm on track to hit my goal. Identify the single biggest financial bottleneck. Is it the credit card interest? Is it my rent eating 60% of my income? Is it market timing on stocks? Then give me exactly one action for this week. What should I do with the money I saved this week? Should I pay down the credit card or invest it? Should I cut discretionary spending or take on a freelance project? Give me the math for each option and tell me which one wins. Keep it to one paragraph plus 3 bullet point actions. That's your prompt template. You personalize it with your numbers and your goal. Claude then becomes your CFO. There's a choice you'll make once you have your first agent working. Should you use the free Claude interface, or should you pay for Claude API? Let me show you the trade-off. Using the free Claude web interface, that's Claude.ai, costs you nothing. You copy-paste your sheet data into the chat, run your prompt, get your answer in 2 minutes. No setup, no keys, no technical learning. The catch? You're doing it manually every Sunday. You have to remember to go to the site, find your prompt, paste your data, wait for the response, screenshot it. If you miss a Sunday, you miss a week of data. On the flip side, using the Claude API costs about $3 per month for the volume you'd need, 1 analysis per week. You write a simple automation in Zapier or Make, or even a Google Sheet extension, and your analysis runs automatically Sunday morning. Your CFO report lands in your email or Telegram before you wake up. You don't have to remember anything. The math is clear. If you earn over N500,000 per month, the API option saves you 10 minutes a week times 52 weeks, which is over 8 hours a year. At N5,000 per hour, that's N1 million in time saved, and it costs N36 in API fees. But if you earn less, or if you like the manual control, the free interface is the right choice. Neither is wrong. It depends on whether you want frictionless automation or hands-on control. Let me walk you through the exact build, start to finish, 30 minutes maximum. Minute 1 to 5, create your Google Sheet with the 5 tabs. Paste in last month's numbers from your bank statements. If you use CUDA or OPay, you can download a CSV. If you use GT Bank, you can export from their mobile app. Paste the totals into your sheet. Don't worry about being perfect. Rough numbers are fine. Minute 6 to 10, write your context block. Say your name, your salary in Naira, your debt situation, your investment holdings, your 1-year goal. 1 paragraph. Minute 11 to 15, write your CFO instruction. Copy the template I described and personalize it with your numbers. Minute 16 to 20, open Claude on your phone or laptop. Paste your context, then your instruction, then your data. Hit send. Minute 21 to 30, Claude gives you back your weekly decision. Read it. Pick the one action that resonates with you. Write it down, you're done. You now have a working CFO agent. Sunday next week, update your sheet with this week's actual numbers. Income, spending, debt balance, investment returns. Paste it back into Claude. Run the same prompt. See how your CFO recommends you adjust based on the week that just happened. Here's what happens after week 1. You've got your first recommendation. Let's say Claude says your biggest bottleneck is that you're paying N264,000 per month in credit card interest. That's 22% of your income disappearing to interest. Claude recommends, this week, don't add anything new to savings or investments. Every extra Naira goes to the credit card. You do it. Debt drops by N50,000. Week 2, same analysis, same recommendation. Credit card is still the priority. Week 3, debt is down to N1.15 million. Your savings rate on the card is accelerating. By week 8, your credit card balance is below N800,000. Claude's recommendation changes. You've hit momentum. Now split new savings between the credit card and your Bamboo account. By month 6, your credit card is gone. Claude's new recommendation: aggressive investment mode. Now that you're not bleeding N to $64,000 per month to interest, you have that money back. Put 70% toward NGX stocks, 30% to emergency fund. By month 12, you've added N2.4 million to investments that would have been eaten by credit card interest. That's not a guess. That's math. That's what happens when one AI system looks at your whole financial picture every single week for a year. Now, let's talk about iterations. Your CFO agent will get smarter the more you use it. After week 4, you'll notice Claude might say something like, I notice you spend N180,000 on food and subscriptions. That's unusually high. Are you ready to cut this by 30% without harming your life? You'll think about it. Maybe you realize you're paying for 3 streaming services and a gym you don't use. You cut N20,000. That's an iteration. Claude surfaced something, you tweak, you report back. After week 8, Claude might notice. Your investment returns in Bamboo are 9%, but your credit card is costing you 22%. You're better off paying the card. You iterate your instructions. Tell Claude to recommend the card first always until it's gone. After month 3, you realize Claude never thinks about your crypto position. You add a crypto tab to your sheet. Your Binance balance, your USDT holdings, your Bitcoin, your Ethereum. Claude now includes it in the analysis. This is the power. You're not stuck with an algorithm. You're training your CFO. Every week, you tell it what matters, what missed, what changed. By month 4, your CFO knows you better than you know yourself. Here's what you're walking away with. 1. A personal CFO is not rocket science. It's a structured prompt, your real data, and Claude reading it every week. 2. You build it in 30 minutes. Sheet, context, instruction, done. 3. The real value comes from doing this every Sunday for 12 weeks. By week 12, your CFO recommends moves you wouldn't have thought of because it's seeing your full financial picture in one place. 4. It costs you nothing if you use the free Claude interface or $3 a month if you automate it. That's your learning. Quick question for the comments. If you built a CFO agent today and gave it the instruction, prioritize credit card debt before NGX investments, but you had N100,000 in savings this week and your credit card was at 22% and your NGX average was 10%, what should Claude recommend you do with the N100,000? A. Put it all on the credit card. B. Split it 50-50. C. Put it all on NGX stocks. Sucks. Which one are you choosing? Next Sunday, we're building on this. We're taking your CFO agent and teaching it to predict cash flow shocks. How to see a Ramadan spending spike coming, or a generator repair, or an unexpected tax bill 4 weeks before it happens. Join us then. For templates and the exact Claude prompt to copy-paste, join the community on Telegram. Link in the description. If this helped, tag someone you know who keeps asking, where does my money go? Top 3 tags get pinned.